We've put in the miles and the hours into traveling across the country, but this week we've slowed down and settled into a routine in a magical little town called Tofino to reconnect with the friend
Hello world
that introduced us to van life over 6 years ago.
I love the feeling of cold water on my face in the morning. Helps me wake up. Whew.
Wait. Okay. Sipping on my coffee is probably my favorite time of day. It just feels like the whole day is ahead of you. You could plan and do whatever you want. So right now I'm just gonna grab my phone and plan our next few days on our trip. Oh, we've pivoted to the sunny side. So we are camping in a campground on Vancouver Island for a number of reasons. The main reason is that one of our good friends actually lives in Vancouver and happened to be coming here for a vacation with his friends and invited us along.
What's up, YouTube?
My name's Carl. We haven't spent this many nights in one spot in forever, and it feels so good.
Today, we are getting some answers that we have wanted for a very long time.
We partnered with MyHeritage, a leading global family history and DNA service, to get more information on our family histories. The DNA test was an easy cheek swab and took only a couple of minutes. We mailed them to the lab and our results are finally in. But before we open up these results, I wanted to play around with this amazing photo feature. Wow, that is so cool. It's time to take a look.
It's time!
This is exciting.
Whoa.
Whoa! So I am 53.6% Ashkenazi Jewish. Yep, that checks out. 35.6% Sephardic Jewish, North African. Yep. 4% Greek and South Italian.
Wow!
2.8% Balkan? What? Who was chilling around Ireland? So MyHeritage actually compares my DNA that I sent in with the DNA of millions of other users and finds matches. So I'm gonna now look at my DNA matches, which will tell me some relatives that maybe I've never heard of. Let's see if I have any surprise siblings.
There's a lot of pages.
There's 1,200 pages of results. So basically we're all related. One of my cousins is watching this video right now.
Yeah. Okay, I'm ready. Madison, you are 38.9% Irish, Scottish, and Welsh.
27.7% Italian, yep. Get it.
12.7% Iberian, 8.9% West Asian.
Oh my God, Mads, I'm learning so much about you.
Wow!
Whoa.
Oh my God, are you from Kazakhstan? Maybe that's why my brother loves Borat so much. Oh my gosh, he's gonna love finding this out. This is crazy. I wonder if we could use this to connect with people and
yeah, so you can actually message people. Look.
Oh, you can?
Yeah.
Wow, I'm so excited to share all of this with my family.
Me too.
Thanks, MyHeritage.
MyHeritage has a promotion right now. Click the link in the description of this video and use our coupon code for free shipping.
Bowie, did you get your DNA tested?
In the past few years, Tofino has completely exploded. It is the it spot. It's this hip surf town. Lots of great waves. Lots of great waves, though people say. And because it has exploded so much, campgrounds around this area are insanely expensive. They are up to $200 a night for a gravel pad. Anyways, I thought that's crazy, but just goes to show how popular this spot is. So we found a campground that's actually a little bit outside of town and was a more affordable price. So we can't wait to show you why people love it here so much and why we haven't been able to stop looking at realtor.ca while here.
So that was our friend Carl and his girlfriend Kayla. They're hardcore surfers, so they got up at like 6 a.m. and we've just been lazing around while they're out there crushing it. Maybe we'll try it out later. Before we do anything, we gotta get the heart pumping.
take your rest. You're gonna appreciate it and want it, okay? Last but not least, you do as many of these as you can.
Whew. In the sun, it's getting hot. We can start our day now. Oh.
Elbow, look at the elbow.
Limp arms. All right, gonna wash the dishes before we hit the town. Although Bowie does a pretty good job at the pre-wash. We gotta make sure to really get it clean. I cannot wait to show you Tofino. It is one of the most amazing places we've been to in Canada. And staying at a campground means daily showers. Who would have thought? Look at this girl taking a body shower.
What a treat.
All right, we've somehow accumulated like 5 hats on this trip and we don't really have anywhere to put them. So anytime we get ready to drive somewhere, we always have to take them from the front and toss them on the bed. All right, looks like we're almost all cleaned up. Of course, we still have Maddie's corner of secret clothes. But other than that, we're good to go.
Bowie, are you ready to go?
Oh my goodness, I love you. So the road we're driving on now, all the way to Tofino, takes us along the coast of the island, and there's tons and tons of beaches all along the way that you can park at and use. There's one beach called Long Beach that we'll take you to later, and it is as you imagine. It's very long, but it is one of the most beautiful beaches we've seen thus far. Okay, the plan was to go into town first, but we drove by this parking lot that is the only lot that is basically on the beach in this whole area, and we see a spot opening up, so we want to jump on it. We'll make some lunch and hang out on the beach. Very happy.
It feels good to be parked basically right on the beach again. We can open these back blinds, my favorite activity, and look at our view. Woohoo! We have been loving making poke bowls recently. I don't know why we didn't jump on this train earlier, but they're just so great. You can grab whatever veggies from the fridge, chop them up small, some rice, protein, soy sauce, which I love, and some chipotle mayo. Best
Spicy,
combo.
Sriracha mayo.
Oh, sorry, sriracha mayo. Sriracha mayo and soy sauce. Just makes my mouth water.
Oh yeah. Ooh. We should make a point to mention that we're seeing Tofino when the weather is incredible, but more times than not, it's foggy and cloudy and rainy.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
All clean and ready to go.
Making winter soften, seasons only, nature calling.
Tal and I call ourselves professional perusers. Actually, we don't call ourselves that. I just made that up. But this is the perfect town to peruse in, as we say. Lots of cute shops to look in, snacks to pick up, good energy. All the things you need for a perfect peruse. My brother came to Tofino last year and he has asked me about 5 times if I have come to the Rhino Cafe yet. So today we decided it was time to check it out. This is an apple fritter with so much icing. There's also icing inside. Isn't it crazy? It really feels like we're on true vacation here. So I feel like it's an excuse to get a pastry every day.
I want to know if any of you out there have something that I suffer from. It's called trypophobia, and it's basically not really a fear, but just like a disgust for things that have tons of tiny little holes close together. I don't know if I'll even be able to show you like a Google Images picture because it will gross me out so much, but I'll let Maddie put that in and I'll just skip through it. But yeah, these flowers kind of give me that. They're pretty, but ooh.
Just go on your tiptoes.
You know that I feel good. Doing things I never thought I could. Smiling in the mirror, I look good. Like I should. I feel brand spanking new. I don't know about you, I feel good. I'm clocking out, been working hard, I'ma hit the town. I'm at the beach when I'm in the house. I set the seas when I'm on the couch. Got sunshine in the bottle every time I take a swallow. Like I'm taking a vacation, feeling like I am a Today's a holiday. We gon' get this place poppin', we gon' celebrate. Yeah, this water's so blue, I'ma catch a wave. Yeah, I'm in the best mood, give me something great.
I think I'm in. This is not cool.
You look so cute though.
All right.
You know that I feel good. Doing things I never thought I could. Smiling in the mirror, I look good.
Oh, that's a good one.
I feel brand spanking new, I don't know
Kill
I
it.
feel good.
I have taken one for the team and stayed behind with Bowie. I pretended like I was a little sad about it, but you know, the whole wetsuit and cold water thing, I could go without it. Bowie does not like that his mom is running into the water, so he's pulling me right now, and my toes are in and it's so cold. Yeah, go Talia! I'm trying really hard to keep track of them, but they are just a bunch of little floating heads right now, and more people are heading out, so it's getting harder and harder. And Bowie is being so patient right now. He's just sitting and watching, and I love him. Okay, I hope I don't miss Talia, but there is a dog surfing right now that is a little bit distracting. It's pretty hard to see them all the way out there, but Tal almost caught one. And yeah. Oh! I couldn't even tell if that was her for sure, so I'm glad it was.
Oh man, I'm a little rusty. I mean, it was hard.
Are you cold?
No, not at all.
Really?
Yeah.
You have fun?
So much fun.
Aww.
I like bodyboarding at the end. That was fun too.
Surfer girl Tal. Well, Talia totally crushed it out there.
Oh, I wouldn't say that, babe.
She did. She didn't give up. She had fun. She's cute, you know? Like, that's all you can really ask for.
And we're gonna try again tomorrow morning.
Yeah, take 2 in the morning. So we'll see you then. Good morning, vlog.
What is that?
Well, I think it's safe to say that this morning surf was a better success than last night. We're not pro yet, but we had fun splashing around. And we earned a meal out.
And we're gonna go to a restaurant where we have a couple gals that used to work there.
Yeah, you might know those gals.
What did I just say?
I don't know.
We're going to the restaurant where our friends used to work for a while, so we're excited to try it out.
Jazz and Crystal. Hi. Okay, now that we've had our post-surf meals, we're back at the camp. I was just gonna call it a resort. We're back at the campground. It almost feels like a resort because of all the amenities. It's pretty great. They have wetsuit washing stations. We're doing laundry, and then I'm having a hot shower.
We need to do some laundry before we leave this campground. And there's stuff everywhere. And this is one of those moments in the van when you get overwhelmed. And you just gotta keep going.
Somehow I scored with the good chore of washing the wetsuits outside in the sun while Talia bakes in here trying to get our laundry ready. We are having ultimate efficiency. I can't speak. We are having the ultimate efficient chore day. We're waiting for our laundry right now. Tal's filling up water. I'm unpacking the groceries.
We are absolutely crushing this impromptu chore day.
Go, go, go.
We're racing because we said we would have a family dinner on the beach. But I just want to tell you how efficient we've been being, because while our sheets have been drying, I made the potato salad. My arms are so sore from surfing. This is really killer. Mission accomplished.
Ricochet. I've had some good days.
We just had the most amazing dinner of potato salad, Greek salad, barbecue. Now we're gonna go for a little, what?
Forgot to show them.
You forgot? Yeah, we ate it. We ate it right away.
Let's go on now.
And now we're gonna go for a gorgeous beach walk for our last night with our pals.
I'll give you every bit of me. I'll take out a loan for just one day alone to run back.
Are you ready to run? Get set. Wait.
On your mark.
Almost got it. On your mark. Get set. Go!
This was the best day of my life. Thanks for the best day of my life.
Bowie, you got spiky hair? You got spiky hair, Bowie? Yeah.